Just coming in, Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted saying that the BJP is begging him for an apology, but he won't be obliging them. This, of course, comes after the BJP on Sunday had sought a public apology from the Chief Minister of Delhi for his allegations against Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. Going on, of course, to say that, that there was nothing to mention as far as the Finance Minister in the report of the Delhi government's inquiry into DDCA affairs was concerned. The Aam Aadmi Party, of course, has retorted right now. Arvind Kejriwal himself retorting, saying that even though the BJP is begging me for an apology, I will not be obliging them. We've seen a face-off of sorts brewing between the two political parties as far as the issue of the DDCA is concerned. The Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have been in an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation on this issue. We've seen a lot of words come in from either side, and latest in this list, of course, is Arvind Kejriwal's tweet. Pooja Shali is on the phone line with me. Pooja, the BJP says that there is nothing that's been found in that inquiry, and hence, there should be a public apology. Well, we don't have Pooja Shali right now. We'll try and get her back in just a bit. But this is the latest in a series of tweets and a series of comments that we've seen coming in from both sides. This time, of course, the retort is coming from Arvind Kejriwal. He's tweeted saying that the BJP is begging him for an apology, but he's not going to be obliging them with one. The BJP says that there is nothing that's been found against Arun Jaitley in the inquiry that was set up by the state government, and hence there has to be an apology. Pooja Shali, in a series of comments, attacks, counters, this is the latest coming in from Arvind Kejriwal, isn't it?
Absolutely. In fact, I can tell you that the Aam Aadmi Party is only going to get more defiant in the national capital very clearly, with Arvind Kejriwal now even confirming even more that there will be no apology if expected by the BJP, no apology coming from the Aam Aadmi Party or even Delhi Chief Minister. In fact, the sources say that the AAP is only going to become more defiant at about 12 p.m. We are expecting a reaction from Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Also at 1:30 p.m., Aam Aadmi Party conducting a press conference at Manish Sisodia's residence. So definitely a multi-pronged attack from the Aam Aadmi Party on the DDCA issue. Also, just to add, with Gopal Subramanian sending in writing him accepting that he will be leading the Commission of Inquiry, which is currently on hold, that only means that has given more confidence to the Aam Aadmi Party to in fact stand defiant against